Feet of the Devil, the Canon of Anton Szandor LaVey. It's a program that puts some movie clips and visuals to things that otherwise one only read or heard before. Satanism is a choice that starts before any group that can get to you. Satanism predates any particular faith. It can be treated as a counter movement of. Satanism is a variety of beliefs and practices. Graven images and music pave the way to forbidden lifestyles, as much as the little sins and tricks. It is important to preserve our survival instinct, our own sense of meaning and connection to function surpasses anyone else's idea of art. Uncensored crime is not for the exposure of everyone to it, but it can certainly teach people the way that death and other events will have their effect regardless of your position in society. Fiction is directed to stir similar characters to those portrayed. Other groups can be those who motivate and enlighten where the usual company would not. People need to save themselves if that is needed. Philosophy is meant to be lived by those who proclaim it. Some beliefs have no power if not allowed to. The days of a class of society that even nourishes what they were put in charge of is over, but perhaps could rise in authenticity. And I don't see any reason to think that Anton Szandor LaVey was racist. People are going to say that, oh, he looked up to the Old South. It was because of the romanticism of the whole thing. And he was right about the context with some things. Some of these movies have prologues and stuff that enhances the effect that the movie has on one, because it reminds you to start out with an intention. And Anton Szandor LaVey was somebody who, got into the whole mystery of life. And certainly the note that things are ended on, at least the hymn at the end there, there's a after note after the hymn, I guess, but points out that under a new or different philosophy, perhaps we can do better than what has happened with Christianity and such.